Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more. Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how to achieve these beautiful curls. Even though they are worn out now, I'll be showing you guys by using my Bantu knots, otherwise called China bumps. So as you can see, I use center part. So I'm just gonna be freshening it up for my new curls. So as you can see, these curls are worn out, but I'll be freshening them up. And I'll be using my moisturizer, rubber band, and eco gel, and of course my natural oils. And this oil is mixed with castor oil, peppermint oil, and avocado oil. And these are great for your hair. Yeah, so and also my conditioner in my spray bottle mixed with water and a little oil, just to give it a little more moisture. So yeah, as I said earlier, I'm just straightening my part, my center part, and I'm going to be putting the side away with my spongy. Yeah, so be starting on my left side. Just want to get these old curls out first and foremost. Yeah, and as you guys can see, I'm using a white teeth comb, so please don't tear your hair out with a fine teeth comb. Yeah, so the last time I did this, they were relatively big, but I'm doing them smaller this time. Yeah, so let me just get this out. That's too small. Yep, so that's perfect. The first thing I do is apply the conditioner on my ends. To prevent breakage, that is. Then I put my natural oil, and then of course my moisturizer that I applied on the back of my hand for easier access. Yeah, so just want to distribute that evenly. Oh, that's a mistake. Yeah. And as you guys can see, the first thing I did was twist my hair, wrap it around my finger for some even distribution of the moisture, and then I wrap it. And the reason why I use rubber bands to secure them is because you want to get the perfect curls, so why not use something to hold them down? Yeah, I do that. And guys, this is your edge, so you want to take very good care of that. I put some gel there to bring in those little sideburns. Yeah, and the same process is basically followed through. So yeah, while I'm on the last one on the left side, just follow through with the first two that you did. Same process applies. And I'm very gentle with the back of my hair and my edges because I don't want to tear my hair out. So I'm extra gentle with the sides and my back. Yep. And as you guys can see, I'm halfway finished with my hair. I'm just following through as I said earlier. Remember your oil and your moisturizer for the ends of your hair. And yeah, that's just basically it to get your nice Bantu curls. And this is the last one, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please remember to like and subscribe for more. And please turn on your notification bell for more videos. And we're done. Thank you for watching.